Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Eden Isle, local and long-distance movers near me. Shifting to a new place altogether is surely an existing thing, but it may require or ruin your moving experience when it comes to shifting. Although shifting to your dream house sounds like an accomplishment, but if you decide to do it without any prior experience, you may even face serious injury. Moreover, handling heavy or delicate items with bare hands is not an easy task to do. However, it can be a great idea if you hire professional movers, 3 Movers. We have years of experience in handling all types of goods and shift your apartment seamlessly. Plus, we have been in the moving industry for more than 20 years, which makes us reliable and trustworthy. While shifting local, the biggest mistake one can make is trying to do it all by themselves without getting help from professional movers. Even if it's a long distance or local move, the shifting process is still the same, which includes packing, loading, shifting, unloading, and lastly, resettling the products again. However, without any prior experience, it's not easy to shift in your apartment from one place to another. It may develop the risk of wear and tear or cause you injury. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Eden Isle moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.